as you can see today, we're reviewing Toy Story toys. What do you think about that, Woody? Yeah, I've got snake in my boot. What about you, Jesse? So, as you can see, guys, I've opened these mini potato heads. And Mr. Potato Head also comes with these cute little figures, and as you can see, we have these little mini ones. And as you can see, that they have a little dresser where you can take it off and put it back on. Oh yeah, you can also switch it, but I'm really excited. So as you can see, guys, I have took all the bits out of Mr. Potato Head, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks after rebuilding Mr. Potato Head. First, we're going to start off with Woody's cute outfit. We have Woody's. Next, we have Woody's smile. We have Mr. Potato Head's ears because Woody does not have ears. Next, we have the eyes. Next, we have Mr. Potato Head's nose because he doesn't. Because Woody does not have a red nose. Next, we have some cute little arms, but there's two holes, so like you could just have normal Mr. Potato Head, or you could have the real Woody. But I'm gonna do it on the real Woody because the real Woody is beautiful. And don't forget to comment down below, guys, who you like better, Mr. Potato Head or Woody. And last but not least, Woody's brown. Ta-da! And this is how it looks like after rebuilding it. So now we've done the Mr. Potato Head Woody. Now we're going to do all these mini characters. But Toy Story 4 is really good because they've brought out these new characters like Forky and Duke-a-Duke. And so here you can see we have Forky. He has a little fork outfit. Looks really cute in this fork outfit. Here we have Bo Peep. She's a sheep person. She takes care of a lot of sheep. And finally we have Duke-a-Duke. He looks really funny with his mustache. And we have his cute little helmet, and cute little outfit, and cute little pants. So now I'm gonna get Woody and Jesse and start playing. You're making too much noise, Jesse. I know. But I just like being a cowgirl. I like being a cowboy. Let's dance! Hey, Mr. Potato! Looks like you have your little mini babies. They are so cute, aren't they? Yeah. Well, thanks, Jesse and Woody. We have Forky and Bo Peep, and we have Duke-a-Duke. Oh, they're so cute. But I like Duke-a-Duke. I like Bo Peep. But I like Forky. He's listless, isn't he? Yes. She's in the middle and he is at the top. Is that right? Yes. They're the most biggest dog. Yes. Oh, I think Jesse is a little bit bigger than you, but I am the tallest. Yeah. didn't you know we just got married? Well, good for you. Oh, you've lost your hat. I'll go get it. Ah, I lost it. That means Jessie.
It's me, boy. And as the years go by,
Of course.
friendship will never die.
Because I want to help Woody.
You're gonna see it's our
Do you think your babies can do it? Because they're so tiny they can make a little rope and hold on to each other? Sure, come on babies, let's work together. I'll go first, get me
got a
a friend.
friend in me.
I'll hold on to you as well. I've got Woody. Thank you everyone. If Andy didn't see him and he was cleaning up his room, he would just put him in the trash. Thanks, babies and Jessie. And should I say, cow, boy, Mr. Potato Head? I should just call you Mr. Potato Head. Well, it's time for us to go to sleep. Night, night. Oh, I have so much fun playing with Mr. Potato Head and Baby Set and Jessie and Woody. I had so much fun. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what toys you would like me to show next time. Bye guys!